Buongiorno paisani! So I took my girls out to Kanda Sushi today to treat them to a nice lunch, family lunch, because they did so well in school. They're both on honor roll. I'm very proud. It's a big accomplishment. And now, mi sento stomaco abbonnato. There's your word for today, stomaco abbonnato. What does that mean? It means I feel full, I feel bloated. And in Italian we say mi sento gonfia, mi sento piena. Basically that's it. It means when you feel full and bloated and that MSG really kills you. But it was good. Kanda Sushi is amazing. I love their food. I love their sushi. And it was an amazing time with my girls, with my husband. It was a nice family lunch. So now, fa bello fora. Look at that. Look at the beautiful sun. My pool is waiting for me. I'm gonna go digest in da piscina. Faccio una bella digestione in da piscina. Mi vai a bagno, mi vai a refresco. I'm gonna go refresh myself. E ma bronzutecchia. I'm gonna take some sun. So have yourselves a beautiful day. E ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.